Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some goodies that I purchased, as well as I'm going to show you my Peachy Keen stamps. I thought I would share that as just a different video, so if you would want to see what I have, you can go ahead and continue watching. Otherwise, this is the haul I purchased from Peachy Keen Stamps. I have the gingerbread dolls for Sherry, and everybody know who Sherry was. She was Craft Pay Repeat, and she passed away. Um, and so, anyways, I wanted to support her family with the purchase of the stamp set. So I did get that, and then I also purchased Jill's favorite stamp set. And so I purchased those as well. Now I do have quite a bit of Peachy Keen stamps. I had seen Ebony, who's Sharingmore, share her some of her items that she had, and I thought, you know what? I think I want to share mine. So thanks for the inspiration, Ebony. And so let's get started. I do have quite a bit. I would purchase from Peachy Keen Stamps when they actually had it open, oh, years ago. And years ago they had an amazing sale, probably at least 6 years ago or 7 years ago. And so me and my friend purchased quite a bit. Anyways, let's jump in. So I have this one. These are some of the small ones that I have. I have that little snowman there. And I'm going to try and go kind of quick because, like I said, I do have a lot. And then some of these Jill had advertised on her channel, and I had already had some of them already, so I didn't purchase them. But there goes another one. I mean, I was purchasing from them years ago, before they even had hired on their last people for a design team, before they let them go and they closed the shop. But anyways, I have plenty. Now I do have some of these that Jill showed, but these are separate. So you make your own faces out of these. So this is a little older than what Jill was showing. I have a couple of those sets that are separate like that. I love this one here. Super cute. So I do have a lot of faces. This is the other one that she showed, Funshine face, except for these are the parts. So that's like that. I mean, just a lot. One year they had like 60% off, I think, of their whole site. And yeah, I went berserk, and so did my friend. We just bought a lot of stuff. Some of these I've never even used before. Okay, let me get these out of the way here. I'm trying not to make a mess. Really cheap sets. I mean, they had a lot. So I ordered this. They accidentally sent me this instead, and I'm really not a Halloween person. But I kept it anyways for the words and stuff down there. I said I might use it. I used Dance once. That was the only thing I've ever used out of this set. I'm sure it could be highly sought after, but I haven't gotten rid of it yet. Don't know if I will, because I know they're no longer making sets, not all of them. So anyways, and then I told them they sent me the wrong one, and they sent me this one. And a lot of these, back in my blogging days, I won quite a few sets from another lady too. And I love that one. That one's just so cute to me. And then I have the lashes. I love that one. And these are all the face ones that I have here. Love these. Oops, sorry about shaking that camera. And this is one of the ones I got from another lady too. Yeah. So the one I won off the channel. And that is it. And actually, this was my first Peachy Keen stamp set I ever had. And my friend sent me this one because I never even owned a set of Peachy Keen stamps. So this was the very first one that started it all. All right, so that is all I have for you. I thought I would share my Peachy Keen stamps. If you've stayed with me this long, I am going to do a surprise giveaway. And here we are. This is what I'm going to give away. I'm not using it. I doubt if I ever will. So what do I want you to do? I want you to say something about camera in your comment. So if you want this die set, just make sure camera is in your comment. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.